Hello, this is Tanmay, and today I'll be telling you about how you are going to review your changes and how you are going to debug anything that you have done. So, what all changes that we can do on our Google Tag Manager is we can definitely modify our tags. Now, this can be a major change if you talk about the hierarchy. So, like you can see, I have created some tags, and now there can be some changes onto our triggers that fire a certain tags, or we have added some new variables for the purpose of our business that will really help us to track our user better. Like we have created a scroll depth threshold in the previous video. So all these are considered as changes, and everything is stored in a staging area first before actually publishing it. So all your changes are added into the workspace. You can see here workspace changes are being counted here, and you can always undo the changes if you no longer want to do the same. Activity history is also a section that you can refer for the same. So to publish this change, we can either submit it directly or we can preview or debug it. So all the changes are added to our website that we have to the website that we have connected for the Google Tag Manager. So if I click on the preview button, what you'll notice that I will be directed towards Tag Manager, and my website name is Enchanting Dolphins. So this is the website that I have connected. So what you'll see that if I press continue here, you will be giving with a summary of what's actually happening. So right now, all these tags are fired. The summary is demo for track Google Analytics 4 configuration tag is being fired once, and after that GA4 event scroll tag also is also fired that I created. So if I scroll my website a bit more and like click somewhere to make an interaction, you'll see that the changes are also reflecting up here. Initially it was only scroll depth. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 scroll depths and 2 clicks that I have done there. So this will mark us that okay, whatever changes that we have done in our workspace are now working fine, and we can even review the changes that we have done. Supposingly if we have created a scroll depth, so we can review that either actually are we getting the value. So I created this scroll depth event trigger to get the scroll depth threshold value. You can see the first value is 10%, and for the second value it is the value of the variable is 25%. So like this I can get to know that my tags are working, my triggers are working, and other important changes that you have done on your workspace will also be reflected here. You can basically study what's happening around before actually publishing it. Always remember to pass the correct name of your website, and do make sure that you have pasted the correct link that contains the Google Tag Manager. So after you are done with the preview mode, what you can do is you can just finish it up here, and what you'll notice that your debugging will get stopped, and then you can navigate back to your workspace. Now as we know that we have made all the reviews that we want to make before actually publishing it, then on the confirmation you can just submit this, and it will be a separate version that will be created into your workspace. So uh, right now I have um, only a single version that is being published by me. So if I publish that here, it will be reflected here. So it will also mark the changes that have been done to the tags, triggers, and variables. So this is basically how you are going to review your changes and debug them before actually publishing them. using this button here. And after reviewing it, you can always choose to submit. So this is all for Google Tag Manager debug and preview. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.